Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a custom mix cream for your face. First, identify your skin's unique requirements, whether it's hydration, anti-aging, or soothing. Next, gather your chosen base cream and active ingredients. Always prioritize cleanliness by sterilizing all equipment to prevent contamination. This foundational step ensures a safe and effective product tailored just for you. When creating your custom face cream, a high-quality base cream is crucial, often comprising about 70 to 80% of your final product. Consider adding active ingredients like hyaluronic acid for intense hydration or vitamin C for brightening. Natural oils such as jojoba or argan oil can also enrich your mixture, providing essential fatty acids and antioxidants for healthier skin. To begin mixing, accurately measure each ingredient, starting with your base cream. Add active serums or oils in small increments, stirring continuously for about 2 to 3 minutes until a uniform consistency is achieved. Avoid overmixing, which can introduce air bubbles. Once blended, transfer your custom cream into a clean, airtight container, ready for a patch test. Proper storage is key to preserving your custom face cream's effectiveness. Keep it in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight and heat, ideally in a refrigerator. Aim to use your freshly mixed cream within 1 to 2 months, as homemade products lack commercial preservatives. Apply a small, pea-sized amount to your face and neck after cleansing, both morning and night, for optimal benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.